Magic mirror on the wall.
Oh, for the days when that was all.
Magic mirror on the wall.
Oh, for the days when that was all. What dost thou know about my queen? Think she be the only villain I have seen? Think again. Which is why I have summoned you. Oh, for the days when only one villain summoned me. A queen with a question. You know how it goes. Magic mirror on the wall. Your turn. Who's the fairest one of all? Well done. But define fair. Beautiful? Once upon a time it was. But these days, villains are preoccupied with who's been treated the most unfairly of all. Each evil villain here would like to suggest that they're not bad apples. They just get bad press. So they whine and they ask if they're victims of a grudge. I just reflect. I can't judge. To make matters worse, when they find a looking glass and recite that question they continually ask, the evil queen strikes with a terrifying crash and smashes into bits. It's up to you to tell them what you see. Please make a choice so they'll stop asking me.
Magic mirror on the wall, who's most misunderstood of all?
But I can't judge, I just reflect.
So what you see is what you get.
You see, I've been enchanted to answer only to the queen. Still, they're relentless, so I need you to intervene. Help me appease them. They torment me all night and day. You be the judge.
I beg you, make them go. Magic mirror on the wall, who's most misunderstood of all?
But I can't judge, I just reflect.
So what you see is what you get.
Hello, darling.
See how it worsens? Behold, a cunning collector of unique fashion, for whom puppies stirred a curious passion.
You see, tragically misunderstood.
Ruthless,
Driven,
devious,
create.
and dressed to kill.
Oh, I like that one. Where's my brush?
Get through.
Of course, mirrors love me. Oh, hello, darling. That's me. What's this? I'm through. Oh, I guess it will surprise me. Hit. Yes, puppies. Everyone knows my name. It's a courtesy sound. Famously misunderstood. Everyone thinks they know you. Hello, darlings. You see? Some of you do understand me. Yes, animal friends have parents. Keep your eyes in the stare. Innocent children, I better beware. I'm watching your heart. Is it my fault? I have a flair for fashion. Or that the puppies stirred my passion. Great artists are always so misunderstood.
did I tell you? Incorrigible. And yet somehow, she made it through the class.
You answer me.
No.
Clearly, I'm the one.
I have told you, I only answer to the Queen. But do they listen? No. They put on a show. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Another scoundrel, undoubtedly with a load of crock to sell you.
So try the life of me.
Really?
The sound of the life of a crook. There isn't a one who won't have fun nor ever the captain of the world's most famous crook. I'm finding it through the glass.
Well, hello. Nice hat. Mine's bigger. Captain Hook at your service. No applause. That brat Peter Pan gets all the attention. Why, even Smee likes him better than me. Do you? Dare you boo me too? Well, that's just because I'm so horribly misunderstood. Do you not realize what a benevolent captain like myself can offer you? Freedom, wealth, glory, and above all, never growing up. Fancy that, answering to let me see. No one! Now sing! Yo-ho! 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 So try the life of a thief, just sample the life of a crook. There isn't a one who won't have fun, what evil Captain Hook, the world's most famous crook! Why, yes, I see. Look at me go, yes, mommy. Now, look here. A special offer for today. I'll tell you what I'll do. All those who sign without delay will get a free tattoo. Why, it's like money in the bank. Come on, join up, and I'll be frank. Unless you do, you'll walk the line. The choice is up to you. The choice is up to you. Ha ha ha! Classically trained. Hello. No! No, 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 no! Oh, magic mirror on the wall. Who was misunderstood? Why me, that's all! No! You're not the life of a thief. You'll manage the life of a cook. There's fails a fun for everyone. You'll get treasures by the ton! Oh, what? Now, so come inside the book. Cheer for me. Join up with Captain Hook. No! Miss me. Let me hear you scream.
I hate to say I told you so, but I told you so. They are relentless. Villains will do anything to push their way to the front. What now? Oh yes, the fairy godmother no one wants. Maleficent.
Frightened the knave in the mirror away, have I? Why, there's no need to be frightened of me. Isn't that right, my love? I'm merely here to propose that I am the most misunderstood of all. Haven't you ever been forgotten, left off the list, omitted from a grand affair that the entire kingdom is attending, except you? It's soul crushing. I've been woefully misinterpreted. You love me at once.
VIP access, huh? Hello! She is the only one who's feeling a little heated by being misunderstood, okay?
And yet another wounded foe.
Whoa! You see the severity of my situation, can't you? How I've been misunderstood by the cat!
Petty, insignificant, and awkwardly flamboyant.
Hey, who's fucking up?
Two at a time?
I demand you let me in, or out. Which is it?
Okay, kindly let him know. I was here first.
Listen, you hovering apparition. I've been dreadfully misunderstood. I should have been Sultan!
Oh, wow. You need a little cheese to go with that.
Silence!
Okay, I'm cool. I know. Hey, whoever's knocking, get one. I was here first.
I dare any to challenge all that I had to endure.
Dismissed, rejected, publicly humiliated.
Banished and exiled, practically starving. Cats in their pants caused by no use of which the silence
Oh no, more than three? How can we?
I really want just a little respect.
Don't know who I am.
I was the Grand Vizier of Agrabah!
Where'd you think this was?
And it has come to this.
You misunderstand me most of all. The name in the mirror is mine, and mine alone!
No! Shattering. Again. Too many. Must end. But you. Yes, you! I beseech thee, answer them! Choose the most misunderstood! But how? Many spoke, but few were seen, though villains in the mirrors gleamed. But these three passed through the glass. Yes! Choose from them! That is your task! This is your moment. You are the judge. Clap, stomp, and scream. Show who you love. And when you do, the smoke will rise as you choose the most villainized. Do you cheer for the spider waiting for the kill?
All right, my puppies, get ready to scream!
Cruella De Vil!
Yes! I love you too. Thank you.
Or shout for the world's most famous crook?
All right, big crew, give me everything you've got!
Or scream in a deviant of evil?
My curse produced true love!
Maleficent, the mistress of all evil! The smoke in the mirror never lies. You have revealed the most villainized. Magic mirror on the wall, who's most misunderstood of all? Maleficent!
Victory! A most gratifying day. Embrace your inner villain with me! We are all misunderstood. You'll love me once the way you did once. I am coming back here.
Misunderstood upon.
You've made your choice, now don't forget.
That what you see is what you get.
All right, they chose. Now off you go.
Did I say I'd leave?
Well, but aren't you done with all your questioning?
I never promised anything.
Why must I endure riffraff?
The villain always gets the last laugh.
What?
You've made your choice. Now don't forget. What you say. What you say. What you get.
Oh no.
You did your bidding rather well, and for it have a tale to tell. Now gather your belongings, take them with you as you go. Move quickly, safely down the road, and out the back you go. But come again another day, it may turn out a different way.